Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Your Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Modern Warfare 2.0 is having crashing issue and on startup and loading and how we can fix this up. So many of the users are having this trouble, so we're going to directly get into the game without wasting time. So what you have to do is just follow the instruction, and the first one to fix the issue is you just have to do is verify the integrity of game file if you're on the Steam. So verify integrity of game file is not a big deal because when doing the verify integrity of game file, you can fix if any files are corrupted and if any files are missing, and all kind of these will be completely fixed. For that, you just have to follow the instruction. Just select Call of Duty Modern Warfare over here, right click and go over here on properties, click to the local files and go for verify integrity of game file. So what happens is this is going to take a little bit of time. So if any files are corrupted and if any files are missing and all kind of these issues will be completely fixed. And if you're having an issue with corrupted files as well as many other things, you will be definitely having the issue on crashing at startup as well as it is not launching. So this is what you have to do as the first step. And moving to the next one is all about updating your graphic drivers. So I'll be showing you that. I'll be providing link in the description to all the graphic drivers. So I'll be providing a link in the description to all the graphic drivers, that is on the Nvidia, on the AMD, and as well as on the radio. Including the Intel. I'll be providing all to this. So here, as you can see, this is what it looks like as the first one when you open the link, and this is the second one when you go over here, and this is the third. So here, as you can see, this is the Nvidia driver download. So here you have to know which one is your driver. So if it is for example, imagine that if it is any other things like if you're having AMD Radeon, you have to know. If you don't know how to check it, I'll be showing you that also, because some users even still don't know how to do this. So what you have to do, just go over here in the search, then go for system information, just go over here, click over here. Now just go over here onto the components. Now from here click on display, and as you can see, you'll be getting the Nvidia GeForce RTX 2080 with Max Q design, and we'll be getting this. So here I understood that is minus Nvidia GeForce RTX 2080. So what you have to do is, the next one is all about what you have to do is you just have to check for yourself, and you will be getting for AMD or Intel, whatever it may be. And once it is done, you just have to go back. Then over here, as you can see, just give all the details. And one important step I wanted to tell you guys is what you have to do is over here, as you can see on the download type, you have to change this. Right now, as you can see, the game driver, which is DRD, just change this one to studio driver. Right, so studio driver is far better. It is more stabilized rather than the GRD. So I'm suggesting you, like a tip, you have to make it to this and go for search, then download and install it. Right, simultaneously, if you're on the AMD, just follow the instruction like this. You have to select the respective one and go for submit. When you are downloading here, you will be able to know that. So just may go over here on Windows 11. So let me select this one. And right now, as you can see, you'll be getting two options: AMD Software Adrenaline Edition, and you'll be getting the Radeon software. So I'm gonna suggest you just go for Radeon software. You should not be downloading the Adrenaline Edition. Just download this one for the AMD users. And once after it's downloading and installing, just like usual process, just try to launch the game and you will not be having the issue. Next one is all about you have to reset Warzone 2.0 settings. For that, you just have to minimize all these kind of things. Just go to this PC. Now from here go to documents. Now from here go to Call of Duty, and from here select the folder named players, and you'll be getting all these things. So these are some of the players which you already played with, IDs and all those things. So you just have to select all these things, just delete it. Right, you just go for delete it, and once it's successfully deleted, what you have to do is just close all these things, then go back to the game on the Steam. Then you can just try to launch the game, and most probably you're just setting it by default. That's what you have to do. Moving to the next one, it is quite important that you just have to disable some unwanted applications, and you have to disable the overlay and all those things. So basically, if you're on the Steam, just click over here, right click and go to properties. Over here in the general, make sure that enable the Steam overlay is completely grayed out. That means it is disabled, or else you'll be having the trouble. So it is quite important, and simultaneously once it is done, you just have to go back and make sure that unwanted things is running in the background. For example, when you're trying to launch the game or when you're trying to launch your PC, many unwanted things will be running like Discord and all those things. Just end the task, right? You have to end it, and most probably after that, as you can see, the Discord is still running in my background, so I just have to go over here, just you just have to end the task, and most probably that will be helping guys. Simultaneously you have to do for the same, and you have to just do it, you just have to disable everything that is unnecessary. And moving to the next one is all about is you just have to do is what do you have to do is you just have to do some changes in game settings, right? For example, just lower the VRAM. That is sometimes it might work, so you have to try with that. Just do that, because lowering the VRAM can even run the game very smoothly without having any kind of issue. You may be having a little bit slow in the FPS, or a little bit drop in the FPS, but you're gonna play the game very very easily, and you'll not be having the trouble. So I'm gonna show you, just do some settings over there. And moving to the next one is all about you just have to go to the check the forums if you're on the battle.net, or if you're on the Steam, just update if you're having any kind of issue over there, just connect them, or just go to the Steam, click on the community hub over here, and you can see many users will be they'll be sharing everything. So just go over here and read to everything, and you'll be getting an idea on this. So these are possible workarounds you have to try when you're having an issue with Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2.0 is having crashing on startup, or it's not launching issue, and how we can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.